Yo, good people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. My name is Kenry Mawera and I'm a Forex trainer, as you all know. And today I'm going to be talking about the reason that I think I am not yet profitable, or I've just found why I am not profitable. Maybe I know too much, that's why, or maybe I know less. So let's get in. So first thing is that as a forex trader, when you start trading, when you start learning how to trade, you learn a lot of things. Like, for example, when you don't have somebody to mentor you or a mentor, you find out that you learn a lot of things on YouTube. You watch a lot of videos, and these people who are teaching on YouTube don't use the same strategies to trade, or don't have the same maybe strength of psychology, the same mentorships ability. So you find out that you are learning a lot of things which are not even similar. You see, yes, the topic is the same, forex trading, and maybe you are using some of the strategies like supply and demand, or this resistance and support. So when you learn all these things on YouTube, you find out that there are a lot of people who are making the same similar type of content, and you don't know maybe which person to learn from, or which one is using the best skills to apply the same type of knowledge. So you find out that you are knowing a lot of things, a lot. Like me now, I have just found out that I know a lot of things. That's why maybe I am not profitable, or that's why I have not seen that breakthrough. Because when you start applying all these strategies, you find out that you yourself, you don't have that one strategy that you can rely on. You are just relying on maybe that strategy that I learned there, the one that I learned there, the one that I've just learned. All these videos have confused somebody, and you find out that you know a lot. You learn SMC, you learn ICT. The other time you will learn the similar person who is teaching ICT will maybe teach supply and demand. Then maybe they will teach these small scalping strategies by using trend lines and all these pure price action. They will teach all that content. You find out that a lot of people on YouTube, maybe they are making this content not out of what they know, but what they want to get from the content. So you find out that you are being confused by all these online gurus, or maybe you have a mentor. This mentor just sends you these manuals to read, and you don't know how to apply them. So you need a mentor who will teach you and guide you through one strategy that maybe he has proven to be the correct strategy, or a working strategy for him. When you see you are learning, I'm not saying that I should not learn on YouTube, or all these manuals, but when you are learning through YouTube, you find out that there's a lot of content in there such that you get confused. Yeah, you get confused. For instance, let me take my example. From when I started trading, I have been watching all YouTube. I think I've watched almost all YouTube videos related to forex trading, and I have learned a lot. I've seen a lot of strategies, and when you are a beginner, you always run for that simple strategy like support and resistance. Uh, this what is it called? You start learning candlesticks. You start learning all this top-down analysis. You learn everything because you don't know which one will work for you. So now for me, I've just noticed that I know too much on the market, such that when I go to analyze my chart in the market, I find out that I am putting a lot of content which I've learned on my chart. Then this content is all confusing me. You see, you cannot be consistent when you have all this type of knowledge, or when you know too much, because this time maybe you will take a winning trend. For instance, let's say you have taken this winning trend, and you think that now that is the best strategy for you to use. Yes, then the other time you use the same strategy, but you take this loss. Does it mean that that strategy is not working for you? No. That is what market does. You win and you lose. What matters is a risk management. So when you take losses and Other time you take wins, you don't have to switch those strategies or to use all that knowledge that you have been learning to use that SMC. Now that I have lost through supply and demand, next time I want to use SMC. Now when I take a losing trend on SMC, I want now to go and learn ICT. Now when I take a losing trend on ICT, I want to go and learn top-down analysis. Or now when I am a day trader and now I think that day trading is not going well for me, I start switching to being a scalper. Then scalping takes away my money. I start switching to being a swing trader. You see all these confusions that comes within one place or by learning a lot of things at the same time are not going to make you profitable. What can I advise you? I am advising you to just learn one strategy. One strategy. Just go and find that person. Maybe you don't have maybe money to pay for a mentorship program, or you don't have money to buy a course. Then learn on YouTube one type of strategy. If let's say if you have seen that my strategy is working for me and you think that that strategy maybe is simple or it is maybe going to work for you, then learn that one. Learn it from up to down. Turn pages. Do that back testing. Train that strategy all through. Don't be switching strategies here and there. Many people think that maybe strategies is not the reason of you not being profitable, but it is. If you don't have a consistent profitable strategy, then at all you are not going to be profitable. So you need to have that consistency of one strategy. You know that this strategy is the one that I use. You should not be switching that strategy to running to other traders' strategy. Let's say you have seen my strategy is not working, and now you have seen there is other trader who has maybe become rich and they are using a different strategy. You go and learn that strategy. What if that strategy does not work for you? So just find one strategy, learn it like your life depends on it. You feel me? Yeah. That is the reason maybe I have seen that I know too much, and now I have just found that I have that strategy that will work for me, that has been working for me, but I have been switching to other strategies. I've been switching to other strategies. You see, maybe SMC works on currency pairs, but it does not work on metals. Or maybe ICT works for indices, but it does not work for metals or for currency pairs. You see? So if your strategy works for currency pairs, stick with currency pairs. Learn that strategy all through, back test, learn. If your strategy works for indices, then learn that strategy that works for indices. Turn books, turn covers. You see? If their strategy then is scalping, then stop taking swing trades. If your strategy is day trading, you can't hold for more than 24 hours at a trend. You see, all these simple things that we ignore, which make us lose a lot of money on the forex market, and nobody is talking about them. So you need to be that one person who is going to change your trading career from today. You feel me? Yeah, that's it for me today. I think this information has been so helpful to you. If you have learned something, if you are a victim of one of that thing maybe I've talked about, leave your comment on the comment section and I like this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. Take me to about 100 subscribers or more. Share this video with your friends and let's see you on the next one. Before you see me on the next one, then I have this video that I have done. I want to show you the strategy that I have just discovered. It is a simple strategy that many people ignore. Simple strategy that uses simple tools to analyze, and when you study it and get maybe your confidence in it, then you are going to make money from it. See you on the next one. Peace.